We are here for day one of Cancun trip, and we hope to do some cool scuba dives. Sarah's parents are certified in scuba diving and haven't done a real scuba trip yet, so this should be a really cool, memorable first one, so we're excited for that. Then we also hope to stop by Chichen Itza, the Mayan ruins, to go see that stuff firsthand, so that should be fun too. We'll get a private tour of those and some cenotes, I never know how to pronounce it, but got some cool stuff planned, which should be just go down there and have some fun. You may have seen last year we went to the Bahamas, and that was the one where we did our first scuba dives and proposed to her underwater. All around great experience, but on the last day they postponed our flight a whole day, but they did it like 2 hours at a time, so we couldn't go do anything, we couldn't schedule anything. They did things 2 hours at a time. They were bad at communicating, and it just kind of, you had to be patient with this. That meant that a lot of people were raising a fuss about it. Vacation Express gave everyone $150 a person vouchers to go on another trip with them. And so we were looking forward to doing another trip and decided, well, we might as well just go to the same place. And then on the flight back, we got another voucher for $50 a person to do another Sunwing flight. Now, Vacation Express and Sunwing are very closely associated. And so a lot of the Vacation Express flights, when you sign up for them, are non-stop flights because they are through Sunwing, and that's just how they all work together. So if we scheduled the exact same trip that we did last year, we were going to get $200 a person to do it. And so that brought the cost down, and that was awesome. Unfortunately, there were some hurricanes this past season, and one of them caused enough damage to the hotels that they use that they were unable to get enough people down to the island to make it worthwhile. So they canceled all the trips to the Bahamas that were through their nonstop, through Sunwing, through Vacation Express. They just canceled them all. But because of that unfortunate event, they gave us more travel vouchers as long as we were willing to schedule another trip through Vacation Express, and additional vouchers if we scheduled a nonstop flight through Sunwing. So we tried to do all that, but unfortunately the only nonstop Sunwing flights that were available were longer time, couldn't schedule it, more expensive. We decided to go with the same days, and unfortunately had to switch to a not nonstop flight. So that is why we're on a 5-hour layover right now. And because it was not through Sunwing anymore, we lost 2 of the vouchers per person for that. And so that came out a little bit more expensive in the end, and it was back and forth all over the place. But so not exactly the original plan, but now we get to go try something new. All right, we made it to our final destination. We are in Cancun, and it is hot and humid. It is 91 degrees, 92 degrees, something like that.
It's hot.
And we're just waiting to find our van and take us to the hotel so we can see what we got. We are currently attempting to solve the case of the missing reservation. Out of this whole row, they managed to find Sarah and I, but not Sarah's parents. So they're going to be camping outside. All right, we solved the mystery of the missing reservation and are now getting a guided tour to our room through the forest. RFID beepers.
It does not look like it.
How do I turn the lights on? This looks like a light switch, but it doesn't do anything. I wish I knew how to turn the lights on. Clap on. Okay, they gave us electricity. What does this do? This looks strange. I don't understand. Are there lights in the bathroom? We can't turn on the lights. We have a whole bunch of switches that don't do anything. All right, where's the breaker box? We might need to ask them to turn on our lights. Nope. So we have no luggage and no electricity. And nobody at the front desk. I'm gonna stand at the front desk until I get someone helpful. Okay, so apparently to get the lights to work, you have to put your card in so they know we're not leaving the room with lights on.
Oh.
Get
in here?
Yep. Whoa. All right.
Got it.
We're learning. Now I can do a real tour. All right, here's the bathroom. Super fancy. Little separated toilet. Super fancy shower. Some nice flowery artwork. Nice looking beds. Are they squishy? Sarah, they're like memory foamy mattresses. Did you sit in it? They don't plop so well. Got some food, some fancy wine, and a view of all the nice ladies walking by.
Hey.
What? Oh. There were no ladies.